Hello and welcome to another episode. My name is Manny and this is Grubanny. Today we'll be making alkaline chickpea scrambled eggs. Let's get started. Chickpea scramble is a vegan alternative to scrambled eggs. It's healthy and delicious. Today I'll be making a version suitable to those living the alkaline lifestyle. This lifestyle restricts the amount of ingredients we can use, but we'll make do with what we have. First, we'll need 1 cup of chickpea flour, which is also known as garbanzo flour. Next, we'll need a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Add 1/2 spoon of onion powder. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. This will help with the color and give it some heat. Add 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil. Finally, add 1 cup of spring water. Now we're going to give it a proper mix until it takes on a pancake consistency. You can add some water in bits if needed, but you need to keep whisking until there are no lumps. Now that's the consistency you want. Let's head to the stove. Add some grapeseed oil to a pan, then spread it around until the entire surface of the pan is coated with oil. When the oil is hot enough, pour in your batter and be sure to spread it out. Now let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on both sides. When the first side is done, flip it over. You don't have to nail the flip since you're scrambling it eventually, so don't sweat it. By the way, if you're interested in a delicious chickpea omelette recipe, check out the link above. I'll also link it at the end of the video. After 2 to 3 minutes, use your spatula to break it into smaller pieces. There you have it. Now you can reap the fruits of your labor. Please don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe. I'll see you all next week.